Game ready?
Set, go!
English grammar challenge naman tayo. Ajaya. We blank going to the park.
R.
Tama, R.
He has a new car.
Ata.
Pag-isa yan, dadalwa lang.
I blank a sandwich for lunch. Eats.
It's.
Mali.
Ay.
Ajaya. They blank at home right now.
They are at home right now.
Tama. We blank to the movie
Well.
last night.
Well.
Tama. The book on the table blank mine.
The book on the table. Is mine? Ano na are you there?
Yeah. They blank very happy yesterday.
Where? Mali.
Tama. Ane. He blank the answer to the question.
Nose.
Tama. Dogs blank barking loudly.
R.
Tama. Ano? The cake blank delicious.
The cake tastes delicious.
Yummy.
Yummy.
We blank a new car last month.
But
Bro. Ane. The flower blank very beautiful.
R.
Tama. R. Students blank in the classroom.
Where?
Tama. Were.
Well,
He always blank up early in the morning.
he always wakes up early in the morning.
Tama. He blanks his shoe before entering the house.
Removes.
Tama. Removes. The sun blank in the east.
Rises.
Ata. She blank to play the piano.
Like.
Tama. Like. He blank a good singer.
He is a good singer.
Tama. Jaya. They blank in the garden now.
They work.
Tama. Work. She blank. She blank her teeth twice a day.
Brushes.
Tama. Brushes.
No.
The train blank at the 10 o'clock every morning.
The train leave at 10 o'clock in the morning.
Mali.
O'clock pala.
Leaves. Jaya. We blank the project by the deadline.
Complete with ED.
Tama. Complete. The teacher blank the student a story.
Ano yun? Tells.
Tama. Tells. The bird singing. The birds blank singing in the tree.
The bird is singing.
They blank their car every weekend.
Washes.
Mali. Wash.